Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super quick and easy 4-ingredient, 1-pan ground beef moussaka recipe. This recipe has all the flavors of moussaka, but it's just super simple and quick to put together. And as I said, has only 4 ingredients and you get this lovely hearty meal. And I've got the blog post, which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make this easy recipe. So click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So let me chat you through the ingredients and then I'll show you how to make it. I've got some chopped tomatoes. You can use a can. I found a little carton of Italian chopped tomatoes. We've got some feta. We have an eggplant and 500 grams or a little over a pound of ground beef mince. You can definitely also add on onion, garlic, leek, any other seasoning you'd like to taste, but I feel like there's plenty of flavor already from the feta and eggplant. So what I'm going to do is get on and chop up my eggplant and get cooking. I've melted butter in a frying pan. I've got the beef mince in and I'm just going to cook it until it's browned all over. While the mince is cooking, I've chopped up the eggplant into little cubes. Meat's browning nicely. I've added in my very roughly chopped eggplant. I'm going to toss it through just to also get it all browned. The eggplant's starting to get a bit of colour on it. The meat's all brown, so we're going to add in the tomatoes. And the chopped tomatoes are in, and we'll just give it all a toss through so it's all evenly distributed. And we're just going to cook it, add a bit of water if it needs it. Just keep cooking it until it's all cooked through and beautiful. There you go, chopped tomatoes are in. I love how it looks. It's only 3 ingredients so far, just the feta at the end, and it's just such a simple dish. So I am going to bubble this away to make sure that the meat cooks through and the vegetables as well, and it just becomes a beautifully rich and flavorful dish. So if you feel that you need to add more liquid, you can add water, stock, whatever you like to. I love how beautiful and rich it's looking, bubbling away there. You could of course include any other vegetables you want. I'm quite happy with just the eggplant and the meat and the tomato. So I'm just going to let it bubble away and just thicken up a little more, and then it'll be ready. That's looking pretty perfect to me, so I'm going to take it off the heat. And it's looking pretty lovely and flavorful like that. Now, I found feta just at the end brings it all together, and you really get that flavor of moussaka. But you can add any cheese you want, or you can make a cheese sauce to enjoy with it, however you like. Or you could really just pop it into the oven, pop cheese on top, and make it in the oven. But I like just having it hob to table, 1 frying pan to clean up. That is it. So we're going to crumble the feta on top. And it's done, just leaving it a sec for the feta to kind of melt in there and to absorb all the flavors. It's such a perfect dish. And that is my easy 4-ingredient, 1-pan ground beef moussaka recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has the full recipe and lots of ideas for adaptations too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.